afternoon, dear students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Had your breakfast? Sorry, had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Then your energy right now.
Yes,
You are filled with energy. Shall we start the class?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, you all know the date and day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will start the class. Yes? So we completed in the previous class textbook, right? Yes, we completed the exercises and the poem, everything, right, children? Are you all studied the poem by hearted?
Yes, ma'am.
Please by heart it and be prepared for the poem also, okay? Yes, then we will move on to the workbook, okay? Module 7. Today we are going to do module 7, okay? Please take out your workbook, children. Yes, please take out your workbook and please mention your name, class and school name here, okay? In the very first page. Then move on to the first page number 1, module 7. In this we will learn word dictation, listen and answer, use of TO2 and TWO2 and TOO. Okay, we will see. Then verbs also and subject verb agreement also and possessive writing and travel writing also. Okay, so we have first exercise 1.1 word dictation. So shall I give dictation words? Will you write by yourself? No? Okay. See, I have already written on the board. Yes, please, you can copy down these 9 words here in the first page. Okay. First one is P-O-U-N-D, pound. P-O-U-N-D, pound. Elegant, E-L-E-G-A-N-T, elegant. Shilling, S-H-I-L-L-I-N-G, shilling. Mines, M-I-N-C-E, men's. Then edge, E-D-G-E, edge. Tatter, T-A-R-R-I-E-D, tattered. Then civil, C-I-V-I-L-I, civil. Curiosity, C-U-R-I-O-S-I-T-Y, curiosity. Raven, R-A-V-E-N, raven. Okay, please complete this in your first page. Okay, then open next page. Yes, page number 2, exercise 1.2, listen and answer. Yes, I will play an audio, children. Listen very carefully to that audio. Then you have to answer these questions which is here. Okay? Yes. So, listen to the audio. Okay? I will play an audio, children. Please listen to that audio very carefully. Okay? Shall I play? Yes. Silence, children. First listen carefully. So, I will come near you and I will play. Then you listen clearly. Okay? Yes.
Module 7. Listen to this mythological story and answer the questions given. King Trishanku was a sage-like man whose one great desire was to ascend bodily into heaven. He had once done sage Vishwamitra a good turn, and the sage decided to help him fulfill his desire. Accordingly, he performed a yajna and Trishanku began to rise heavenwards. When Indra, king of the gods, saw Trishanku at the gates of heaven, he was furious. Catching hold of him, Indra threw him down. Vishwamitra saw Trishanku hurtling downwards and shouted, "Let Trishanku stay where he is now." Trishanku's fall was arrested. As Indra would not let him ascend into heaven and Vishwamitra would not allow him to come down, Trishanku became suspended between heaven and earth. Folklore has expanded this mythological story to explain the origin of the coconut tree. Vishwamitra knew that Trishanku would eventually fall to the earth unless held up by physical means. So he propped him up with a long pole. The pole eventually turned into a coconut tree and Trishanku's head became its fruit. The fiber around the coconut is Trishanku's beard. When you take it off, you see his eyes peering at you.
Did you hear, children? Yes, you want me to play again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please listen carefully, okay? Please listen carefully. I have raised the volume also. Please listen carefully.
Module 7. Listen to this mythological story and answer the questions given. King Trishanku was a sage-like man whose one great desire was to ascend bodily into heaven. He had once done sage Vishwamitra a good turn, and the sage decided to help him fulfill his desire. Accordingly, he performed a yajna and Trishanku began to rise heavenwards. When Indra, king of the gods, saw Trishanku at the gates of heaven. He was furious. Catching hold of him, Indra threw him down. Vishwamitra saw Trishanku hurtling downwards and shouted, "Let Trishanku stay where he is now." Trishanku's fall was arrested. As Indra would not let him ascend into heaven and Vishwamitra would not allow him to come down, Trishanku became suspended between heaven and earth. Folklore has expanded this mythological story to explain the origin of the coconut tree. Vishwamitra knew that Trishanku would eventually fall to the earth unless held up by physical means. So he propped him up with a long pole. The pole eventually turned into a coconut tree and Trishanku's head became its fruit. The fiber around the coconut is Trishanku's beard. When you take it off, you see his eyes peering at you.
Did you listen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you are understanding, right? Yes. Now, will you answer the question? Yes. So, first question is, what did Trishanku desire? Tell me. Wealth to ascend bodily into heaven, to reach hell when he died, to get godly powers. Which is done? To ascend bodily into heaven. Option B. Write down option B. Yes. Second one. Why did sage Vishwamitra decided to fulfill Trishanku's desire? For the good turn he had done Vishwamitra to get praises so that he would be worshipped, to make him stop praying to Vishnu. Which is correct? Yes. For the good turn he had done Vishwamitra. A. Option A. Next. What did Indra do to Trishanku? Made Trishanku sit next to him, threw him down from heaven, covered him with flowers, made him ascend to heaven. Which is correct?
B.
B. Very good. He threw him down from the heaven. B. Option B. Yes. Next. Fourth one. What did Vishwamitra do to keep Trishanku from falling down? Propped him up with a long pole, placed a big cloth mid-air, propped him up with a sword, raised his hand and caught him. Very good. What is that? Read down. Propped him up with a long pole. Long pole. Option A. Yes. Then, which part of the coconut according to the story is Trishanku's beard? The husk, the inner part, the nut, the fiber. The fiber. Yes. Option D. Yes. Completed. Yes. First one is option B. Second one option A. Third one option B. Fourth one option A. Last one is option D. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to listen carefully to that story. Then you can answer easily this. Okay. Now we have vocabulary used of two, TO2, TWO2 and TOO2. How you will use? Where all you will use this. The words TO2, TWO2 and TOO2 sound exactly the same but have very different meanings. Yes. We have, it sounds same, two only it sounds but having different meaning. They have different meanings. Let us see. Two, how TO2 will be different meaning we will see. Okay. It is a preposition. What it is? Two is a preposition. Okay. That expresses directions or shows a particular condition. It will express the directions. It will show us the directions and it will show the particular condition. Okay. Example like he went to the market. Where? To the market. Okay. To is preposition there. So we are using to in that sentence. Next, Rita likes to eat laddus. Okay. Rita likes eat laddus. To eat laddus. Okay. To is a preposition there where we are using TO2. Understood? Next, TWO2. It is a
Number.
yes. It is a number name. Correct, children? Number name of 2. Okay. Yes. Example like Chanda has eaten 2 biscuits. TOO2. It means also or much more or less than needed. Okay. 2. Example. Neha loves chocolates and I love them too. Even I also like. Yes, in that way. Even I also like it too. Okay. So we are using the TOO. Understood, children? Next. This house is too large for us. This house is too large for us. Means too much big it is. Okay. The meaning. So two. TOO2. There we are using that too. Understood? Next is exercise 2.1. Color the circles with the correct options and complete the sentence. I was invited to a party and my sister was TO2 or TWO2 or TOO2. Which is the correct one? Listen carefully for the sentence, children. I was invited to a party and my sister was two. Yes, last one. You have to color that. Okay. One only I have told the answer.
Which color?
Any color, your wish. Okay. See here. Next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 5 were rest of the 5 things you should do. Okay. Zahir saw TO, TWO, TOO. Which is correct? You have to choose and write. Okay. Please don't tell the answer. You have to do. This is your homework. Okay. So mark it down. That is our homework. Exercise 2.1 is homework. Mark it as homework. You will do at home and bring. Okay, children? Yes, then exercise 2.2. In the following sentence, the underlined words have been used incorrectly. Rewrite the sentence using the correct words. Which is underlined is not the correct one. You have to write it in a correct one. Okay? I'll read. Listen. My mother went TWO Shilling last month. Shillong. Sorry, Shillong. Shillong is a place. Okay, so which two you will write there? Like that. Okay, this also rest you should do. Okay, Ravi likes to come back home early from office. No. Yes. Rest you will do. Okay, I will not tell the answers. You have to do. So your homework is exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2, page number 3 and 4. Okay? Please these two exercises you have to complete and bring. This is your homework. Okay? And rest of the classwork also you will send it in the group. Okay, children? Yes. I think till here it is enough. Yes, we will complete rest of the thing in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.